In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find Apple ID password. Let's get started. First, try the built-in passwords app on your device. Simply swipe down on the screen and type passwords in the search bar or swipe over to App Library to find it. Once you open the app, search for Apple and you should see your Apple ID username and the password link there. If you don't find it in the Passwords app, you can also check Google Chrome. Open Chrome browser, tap three dots. Now go to Password section. You'll need to unlock it using Face ID or passcode, and then you can find your Apple ID login details. If these methods don't work for you, you can reset your password. For that, open your settings, click on your Apple ID given at the very top, head over to the option Sign in and Security. Click on the option Change Password and enter your iPhone passcode. This will allow you to create a new password for your Apple ID, making sure it meets the security requirements, at least 8 characters, 1 number, and 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter. Once done, you'll be able to access your Apple ID again with a fresh password. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.